Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Plan and Dimensions. Today let us discuss 2 BHK plan in 20 feet by 30 feet plot area. Friends, you can observe that I have placed this plan in this Vastu Purusha Mandala. Friends, if you want to understand about Vastu Purusha Mandala, Marmasthanam, Brahmasthanam, energy lines and other guidelines which I have already explained in my previous video. Please watch those videos. I have given a link in my description box or you can press the I button. Now let us move to our plan. Friends, let us move forward to our plan. This is 20 feet by 30 feet plot area facing east. This is our main entry gate, and you can observe that we have left this 3 feet setback where we can utilize for our parking, and then we have some small greenery space here. From this main entry gate, we will enter to our main building, and you can find this sit out before entering to our main hall. You can observe this staircase here for the upper floor, and you can also observe the indication I have given. This is in anti-clockwise direction. Since it is in east northeast, we should not load this area. So we are going for anti-clockwise direction. Friends, coming back, after entering from the main door, you have this living. This area is the living. It is 10 feet 4 inches by 10 feet 8 inches with 2 windows for cross ventilation. And you can observe a small niche here. I have provided a pooja facing east, quite ideal place for pooja. And you have ample space here for your prayer and meditation. Then you can observe this furniture layout, and here you can observe this TV cabinet. Friends, this dotted lines is Brahmasthana. So we have taken care not to load any furniture here, but we can use for moving around different areas as a walking space. Moving forward, we have this kitchen in southeast corner. You can see the platform, it is towards north wall and east wall. This is our cooking range in southeast, and you can find this is the sink. You have a small niche for your store. You can utilize as store for your grocery. Moving forward, we have a master bedroom with 2 windows for cross ventilation, and you can observe the bed position head towards south, and you have a wardrobe here. If you want to keep any locker in the southwest, you can have a small locker here. Now moving forward, we have one more bedroom. You can use this as a children's bedroom or guest bedroom. You have one window here, and one single cot is been accommodated since the size is 7 feet by 7 feet 10 inches. For these 2 bedrooms, we have one common toilet. You can observe this is the wash basin area, and this is your cupboard facing towards north, and this is our shower towards northeast. Friends, you can also observe that we have left setback all round the building, which is more important, as already I have highlighted this point, since we don't need to obstruct the flow of energy. This is a very important point you have to note. Friends, if you like this plan, please share your comment and subscribe my channel, and you can have the PDF file link in my description box. Thank you for watching my video.